How to optimize your WordPress with Monsterinsights. Wanna improve your WordPress site's performance with actionable insights? In this quick tutorial, I show you how to optimize your WordPress site using Monsterinsights, the best Google Analytics plugin for WordPress. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click Add New, search for Monsterinsights and click Install Now. Once it's installed, activate the plugin and open it in your dashboard. Follow the setup wizard, sign into your Google account, then select your website's analytics property and authorize the connection. Navigate to the Settings tab in Monsterinsights. You can enable features like enhanced e-commerce tracking, file download tracking, and scroll tracking to gather valuable visitor data. Go to the Reports section in Monsterinsights to view metrics like page views, bounce rates, and user behavior. Use this data to identify what's working and where improvements are needed. Adjust your content strategy, improve underperforming pages, and optimize loading speed based on the analytics reports. And there you have it. Monsterinsights makes it easy to optimize your WordPress site with powerful analytics. Thanks for watching. How to decrypt